Hey, back again to my new video. This is Sampath. You're watching Sampath FX YouTube channel, and this is the CorelDRAW's new extension version. Let me show you into the settings. As you can see, this is the CorelDRAW version extension official for Redmi Note 7 Pro. As you can see, this is the Redmi Note 7 Pro. CorelDRAW is 10 extension official, and the maintainer name and the August 5th security patch, latest one, and the kernel used in this ROM is Ryzen Q 4.14.212, and the build date is August 13th, the latest one. This is how the CorelDRAW ROM. If you go back into the settings, you get here Raven's Lair. You can adjust the notification settings. One is heads up options, hide, smart replace, noise notifications, first close notifications, charging animation, vibration, on plug and plug it out, and ticker notification preview in status bar. Coming to miscellaneous, you will get like rounded corners, display cutout settings, screen animation, screen of animation, simple fade. You can adjust here CRT and scale, and Linux is a set of kernel modification you can change here. It's a Linux mode. Some people ask it. As you can see, it's a that mode, and screenshot type you can change here from screenshot, and gaming mode is given, suspend actions are given. Let me go into the gaming mode. You get these kind of settings. Once come back, and all these settings are given in miscellaneous. And coming to lock screen items, you get all these kind of settings: lock screen shortcuts, lock screen style, lock screen charging animation, status bar, disable quick settings when when locked, hide lock screen, double tap on lock screen charging info, visualizer, media, artwork. You can adjust the value also, and lock screen album, art filter, gradient blur, or some of the options are given in this ROM. And fingerprint preferences, you get all this kind of settings here. And coming to like battery options, you get charging LED, aggressive battery is a new settings. You can auto enable on battery saver from here. Battery bar also you can change. For example, let me show you top of navigation bar, bottom of navigation bar. If I scroll like this, you get like that. Okay, let me change again to status bar, bottom QS header. You'll get here. This is how the battery bar, and these all the settings you get in the battery settings. And battery location, toggle battery location, battery estimates, battery icon style. You can choose that circle also. Battery percentage next to the icon, you'll be seeing like this now. It's how cool feature. And carrier label also given, and status bar, clock options are given, plenty of them. Date format you can choose here. On AM PM style, many things are there in this ROM. You can customize every little things in this ROM. And status bar, clock options, everything is given here. In the icon manager, you get status bar icons, dual row notification count, signal icon, switch, custom logo, toast app icon, and Bluetooth battery status. And quick settings panel, you get all these kind of settings, and traffic indicators, these things are given. And coming to like buttons, you get all this kind of settings in this ROM. And navigation you can change here. And power menu, you can enable advanced restart. For example, as you can see, advanced, you can directly go into recovery or bootloader or system. Those settings are given in this ROM. And in the theme section, you get all this kind of settings: accent picker, font type, icon shape, QS style, status bar, QS icons. The quick settings, header style, switch style, system time, theme. You can choose here Google Dark. As you can see, it will become like this. And even this quick settings panel and the settings panel become dark, as you can see. And this how the quick settings panel you get in this ROM. And this is the home app drawer, and this is the home screen. You get styles and wallpapers. You get plenty of wallpapers here. CorelDRAW wallpapers, only one. And this is the vanilla OS I flashed here. If you want, you can flash GApps also. Let me change this dark theme once. From here, I'll make it light. You need to go into this theme settings, then only you can enable or disable the dark theme. And this is how the CorelDRAW OS 10 extension version, and this the battery life, and it's good. You get all the cycles and battery temperature and these settings are given. Even the adaptive battery saver options are also given in this ROM. It's working fine. You can definitely try it out. You know already this CorosOS is based on gaming only, heavy performance task, and in the dialer many people ask about this. Let me show you. You can make it direct video call from here. Let me see the call recording feature is available or not. Record call, as you can see, it's available. It's very good. This vanilla OS I'm using here. If you want, you can use GApps version, and you get Google Go camera as a pre-installed camera in this smartphone. And you get this Google Go gallery as a pre-installed, and Google Go camera is also given. If you want, you can use any other Gcams. It's working fine, as you can see. It's working fine. Given the brightness slider, exposure control, everything is working fine in this ROM. And this is the CorosOS extension version on this Redmi Note 7 Pro. Let me show you face unlock. As you can see, it's quick. Once again, it's quick, and fingerprint unlock is also working fine. You get plenty of options to unlock, and even let me go into the security. You can even get the app locker option pre-installed in this ROM. That's how the CorosOS extension version based on Android 10 is given. That's the vanilla OS I have flashed. If you want, you can use GApps version. I mean, just to flash after a ROM, you need to flash Nick GApps or any GApps you want, that can be flashed. And this is how the ROM performance. It's really good. You can definitely try it out. You all guys know this used for heavy gaming ROM, and lots of customization is also given. You can definitely try it out. It's very stable and very good for battery life also. And that's how the ROM performed here. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video with another interesting video. And this is the volume panel you get in this ROM. And let me show you the booting animation once.